afternoon everyone. Today we have to start exercise 7.4, and in the question number 1 you have to write the shaded portion as fraction and arrange them in ascending and descending order. So the figure is given in the book. A part, the 4 circles are there and we have to write the fractions of all these 4 circles first, then we'll arrange the fractions in ascending and descending order. The fraction of first figure is 3 by 8, then it is 6 by 8, then it is 4 by 8, and then it is 1 by 8. And now we have to arrange all these fractions in ascending and descending order. So as all the fractions are like, so we have to arrange it in ascending: 1 by 8, 3 by 8, 4 by 8 and 6 by 8. And in descending, 6 by 8 first, then 4 by 8, 3 by 8 and 1 by 8. Now in B part, the square is given here, 4 squares, and we have to write down the fraction of shaded part. So this is 8 by 9, here it is 4 by 9, 3 by 9 and 6 by 9. Now we got the fractions 8 by 9, 4 by 9, 3 by 9 and 6 by 9. We have to arrange the fractions in ascending and descending order. So in ascending, first we will write the smallest fraction. So 3 by 9 is smallest here, then 4 by 9, then 6 by 9, then 8 by 9. And in the same in descending order, 8 by 9, 6 by 9, 4 by 9 and 3 by 9. Now C part, we have to show the fractions 2 by 6, 4 by 6, 8 by 6 and 6 by 6 on the number line. So we'll draw a number line first. So first you have to check whether the fractions are like or not. As we can see, the denominator of all the fractions are same, that is 6. That means these fractions are like fractions. And this is a proper fraction, this is a proper fraction. So proper fraction lies between 0 and 1. So we'll make 6 partitions between 0 and 1, as in the denominator we have 6. So and start marking the fractions between 0 and 1. 1 will be equal to 6 by 6. So after 0 we'll write 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 3 by 6, 4 by 6, 5 by 6 and 6 by 6. Then 7 by 6, 8 by 6 and 9 by 6. So this is our number line and we have to mark these 4 fractions. So 2 by 6, here is 2 by 6, mark it. 4 by 6, here is 4 by 6. Then 8 by 6 and then 6 by 6. So in this way we will draw the number line to represent all the 4 fractions. Now with this we have few pair of fractions are given where we have to compare: 5 by 6 and 2 by 6. So when we compare, as these fractions are like, we have to look for the numerator, and the numerator which is bigger, that fraction will be bigger. So 5 by 6 is greater. Compare 3 by 6 and 0. Now 0 means nothing and 3 by 6 is a fraction, that means it has some value. So this is greater. 1 by 6 and 6 by 6. Now as these fractions are like, denominator is same. So 1 is greater or 6. 6 is greater, so this fraction will be greater. Or otherwise we can say this is 6 by 6 is equals to 1. 6 by 6 will be equal to 1. And 1 is always greater than the proper fraction. Right? Or proper fraction is always less than 1. So this will be greater. 8 by 6 or 5 by 6. Again, like fractions, 8 is greater than 5, so 8 by 6 is greater. Now my third question. Make 5 more such pairs and put appropriate signs. Now I have taken the fractions of my choice. You can also take any 5 fractions and compare the fractions and do this question yourself. Question number 4 you have to do in books. So as the question number 4, look at the figures and write less or greater or equal between the given pairs of fraction. Now this is a strip. This is another strip, but it has been divided into 2 parts. One half and this is the other half. And this is third strip, it has been divided into 3 parts, 1 by 3, 2 by 3 and so on. 3 by 3. This is 0, this is 1, 4. This strip has been divided into 4 parts. This is 1 by 4, this is 2 by 4. As these are 2 parts, so this is 2 by 4. Now here these are 3 parts, so this is 3 by 4 and this is 4 by 4. That means 4 by 4 means one complete strip. It is representing the whole strip. Now 0 by 5, 1 by 5, then 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5 and 5 by 5. So this strip has been divided into 5 parts, right? Here 6 parts. Now 1 by 6, you have to look for 1 by 6. Here is 1 by 6. This is the length of 1 by 6, 0 to 1 by 6. And where is 1 by 3? 1 by 3 is here. Now 1 by 6 is this much, is of this much length, and 1 by 3 is of this much length. So which is greater, 1 by 6 or 1 by 3? 1 by 3 is greater than 1 by 6. So 1 by 3 is greater. Now 3 by 4 and 2 by 6. Where is 3 by 4? Ye 0 se leke 3 by 4. Here is the length of the strip. And where is 2 by 6? Here is 2 by 6. So which is greater, 3 by 4 or 2 by 6? 3 by 4 is greater. So in this way you will compare all the fractions by looking at the length of the strips. Fifth question, how quickly can you do this? Fill appropriate sign, less, equal or greater. First part, 1 by 2 or 1 by 5. As these both fractions are unlike, right? These are not like fractions. You can cross multiply like this. 5 ones are 5 and 2 will go this side, 2 ones are 2. So which is greater, 5 or 2? 5. So 1 by 2 will be greater. B part, 2 by 4 or 3 by 6. Now I can reduce this fraction also. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So as 1 by 2, 1 by 2, both the fractions are equal. 3 by 5 and 2 by 3. Again you can cross multiply. This 3 will multiply by this 3, 3 3 are 9. And 5 twos are 10. You will cross multiply. So which is greater, 10 or 9? 10. So this fraction will be greater, that is 2 by 3. Now D part, 3 by 4 और 2 by 8. इसको reduce कर सकते हैं बेटा. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. So 3 by 4 and 1 by 4. Now these fractions are like. So which is greater, 3 or 1? 3. So this is greater, 3 by 4. 3 by 5 or 6 by 5 fractions are like. Again the numerator which is bigger, that fraction will be bigger. This is bigger. 7 by 9 or 3 by 9? So 7 by 9 is greater. G part, 1 by 4 or 2 by 8. As I can reduce this, 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. So both the fractions are equal. H, 6 by 10 or 4 by 5. 6 by 10 can be reduced by the table of 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. Now I have got the fraction 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. As these fractions are like, so the numerator which is bigger, that fraction will be bigger. So this fraction will be bigger. 3 by 4 or 7 by 8. Now both are unlike fractions. Again you can cross multiply. 3 8s are 24, you will get here. And here 4 7s are 28. Right? So which is bigger? 7 by 8. 6 by 10 and 3 by 5. So first reduce this fraction. 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. So 3 by 5, 3 by 5. Both are equal. 5 by 7 or 15 by 21. Reduce this fraction. 3 5s are 15, 3 7s are 21. Now both the fractions we have got are equal. So we'll put equal sign. So today our homework is complete. Exercise, do question 1 to 5 of exercise 7.4. From this first, third and fifth question you have to do in the notebooks. Thank you and have a nice day.